This is how we keep a restaurant spotless. Our monthly exterior cleaning program for Pollo Campero, multiple South Florida locations, one fully equipped work truck, and a process built for grease. It all starts at the sidewalks, entrances, and walkways, the first thing every customer sees. But on a restaurant, concrete takes a beating. Grease, cooking oils, gum, food spills, and constant foot traffic grind into the surface over time. So before we ever pull a trigger, we pre-treat every surface with a commercial-grade degreaser. This is the step that makes the difference. We let the degreaser dwell, giving the chemistry time to break down and lift the grease and organic buildup from deep in the pores of the concrete. Only then do we pressure clean, using professional surface cleaners. Instead of a single wand that leaves streaks and zebra stripe marks, these clean in a wide, even pass, a uniform, professional finish across the whole storefront and the side walkways. And the edges, corners, and tight spots a surface cleaner can't reach, those we detail by hand so nothing gets left behind. Next is the toughest surface on the entire property, the drive-through lane. Think about what happens here every single day, hundreds of vehicles idling, dripping oil and fluids, and a steady stream of food and grease right at the windows. It's the single dirtiest, highest traffic concrete a restaurant has, so we treat it accordingly. First, we apply a heavy-duty degreaser to the whole lane, concentrating on the worst zones, and where the buildup is really caked on, we agitate it to break it loose. Then comes the key to the entire job, hot water. We pressure clean the lane with hot water, because heat dissolves grease in a way cold water simply cannot. It's the difference between smearing grease around and actually removing it. We work the full lane, the curbs, the concrete beneath the menu boards, and around the pickup windows. And because we're back every month, the grease never gets the chance to build into a permanent, baked-in stain. The result is a clean, safe, professional lane, the part of the store your customers see up close. From there, we move to the dumpster pad and rear loading area, easily the most contaminated part of any restaurant. This gets our most aggressive treatment. A concentrated commercial degreaser worked into all the concrete to cut through grease, rotting food residue, oils, and organic buildup. And here, it's not just about looks, it's about sanitation and odor. We hot water pressure wash every surface, then rinse the surrounding area so no runoff or residue is left behind. The before and after on these pads is honestly one of the most satisfying parts of the job. Canopies and awnings are soft washed, low pressure to protect the paint and signage. And stubborn oil and rust stains are spot treated with specialty removers for visible improvement. And we never leave without a final quality control walkthrough. Every surface inspected, every bit of debris cleared, and before and after photos documented for your records. Commercial degreasers, oil and rust removers, mildew treatments, hot water equipment, surface cleaners, and soft wash systems. The right product and method for every surface, every single month. If you run a restaurant or commercial property, let us build a maintenance program for you.
Cleaning Specialist USA. Call 954-266-9583 or visit cleaningspecialistusa.com for a free estimate.